previous year. Then I was telling you very clearly, whenever you are preparing this trading account for the previous year, to ascertain your profit, there are four things or there are 4 points which have to be actually considered. So point number 1, I said stock may either be undervalued or overvalued. Achha, my dear, if they are either undervalued or overvalued, I said, will they have an impact on your GP? Yes. Absolutely yes. So to get your correct value of your gross profit, what are we supposed to do? Absolutely, we have to bring it back to your cost. Correct? That's the first point. Second, I told you, should we consider GP, information, that is trading account information for 1 year? Sometimes he may give you more than 1 year also. If he gives you more than 1 year, what are we supposed to do? Average. Right? Now when I say average GP rate, the answer is very clear. How to get average GP rate? Depends on whether it is showing a trend or no trend. Achha, imagine if it is showing either increasing or decreasing trend. If there is no trend, I go by simple average method. That's what I told you, second point. Third point, if you all remember, this was the most important point. I said, assumption is we are taking the GP rate of the previous year. So assumption was assuming that GP rate of current year and GP rate of the previous year will remain same. But when it will remain same? When selling price and cost price remain same. Are you able to recollect? So imagine if there is a change in the selling price, or imagine there is a change in the cost price compared to the previous year. What are we supposed to do? Adjusted GP rate, correct? And how to get adjusted GP rate? Still people remember? Now get the sale, get the profit and get the cost of the previous year. Now when you know the sale, when you know the cost and when you know the profit of previous year, you can do the adjustments to whatever is required. Maybe sales is required, maybe cost is required. Automatically you get what is the profit of the current year. Now you can easily find out what is your GP rate. That's okay, right? Adjusted GP rate. The fourth most important point was with abnormal item, correct? What are abnormal items? My dear abnormal students, come on. Hello. What are abnormal items? Are those items, come on, which are either defective or maybe there are no demand in the market, lack of demand. Sometimes I said they may be in a damaged condition, right? So all these things into consideration. Question arises, can we sell them at the normal selling price? No. That means sometimes they may be sold either at cost or they may be sold below cost, or maybe sometimes they may be sold at a profit, that's fine, but not the regular profit or not the normal profit. Yes or no? Yes. I said, will these items have an impact on your GP? Yes. Absolutely. In such case, I said, think very practically. If abnormal items are sold in the previous year, are they going to have an impact on your GP? Yes. In such case, yes, absolutely, my fellow. Some people say no. Okay, they will have an impact on your GP. In such case, should we consider normal GP rate? Yes. Or should we consider actual GP rate? Normal or actual? How do we get normal? By eliminating abnormal item. I think all of you are clear. In such case, do we require to dot trading account with 1 column or 3 columns? 1 column, mad fellow. That's only for normal. I think all of you are clear. Now sometimes abnormal items may be sold in the current year. When they are sold in the current year, shall we draw with 1 column or 3 columns? Memorandum trading will come with 3 columns. I think all of you are clear, but that's unavoidable. Finally, once you put all these efforts, get what is the value of your closing stock. I said you have to prepare statement of claim, final answer. Now how to prepare statement of claim? Closing stock on the date of hire minus, whatever your stock which is salvaged, plus if there are any firefighting expenses we can add, then what we get is gross claim. Correct? Now, why do we call it as a gross claim? I said logically, if there is something called underinsurance. What do you mean by underinsurance? Now, I think the value of closing stock is more than. So just imagine my value of the closing stock in the border is 1 lakh. But say I took a policy only for 60,000. That means moral. Can I say I insured only for 60% of my stock? Yes. Absolutely. When I insured only for 60%, this is called underinsurance. In case of underinsurance, will average clause apply? Yes. That means we will average out and then find out how much money we can get. So in my example, it is 60%. So let's say the value of stock which was damaged in the fire accident was 40,000. So now can we claim entire 40 or 40 multiplied by 60%? So what I can claim is only 24,000. Is it okay to all of you? This is with respect to something called loss of stock. That story is not over. Now second, we will have to cry for something called the second one, which is loss of profit. Now I want everybody to pay attention because this is entirely new. People will have to realize what we are doing and then try to understand what exactly is this, okay? So we are now starting with the next topic, which is called loss of profit.